A lot of times we make agreements with ourselves, but it goes against our future.
Voice music.
Hi, my name is Rhonda Davis, student at Cheyney University of Pennsylvania. Today we were privileged to have Amir Campbell come to the Fine Art Honor Society's art room and teach us about airbrushing. Working with so many different materials, you never consider airbrushing, but it is an amazing medium. I got a lot out of it. I learned that there's a lot of technique to it. There's a process of taking care of the airbrush tool itself. I learned that it can be very expensive medium to deal with because of the materials that you have to use, the tools. But I also learned that it can be very beneficial for income purposes. You have airbrush t-shirts, people have airbrush portraits, their animals, and it goes on and on. But what I really liked about it was how he presented the intricacies of the actual airbrush itself and the history of the airbrush. We learned that the airbrush was not even called an airbrush at one time. It was a paint distributor. So that was an amazing thing. And how long ago it was, in the 1800s was when this tool was first invented. So I really appreciated him coming, and I got my t-shirt made, not this one but another one, and it's gonna reflect what I feel about being Cheyney made, baby.
Hi, my name is Shamira Graham. I'm a freshman at Cheyney University. This workshop was actually kind of like a surprise for us. Our professor decided that she was want to say, hey, you guys want to come? And it was very interesting. I was like, airbrushing, I've never done it, never seen people do it before, but I've seen the actual finished product. Never knew that you can make portraits of it, but I'm really glad I came to this workshop. It was very interesting to find about how careful and how precise that this type of artwork can be. It makes me even more interested into going into the area and the field of artwork when I get older. So I really want to thank Amir Campbell for coming out.
Hello, my name is Jazzy Robinson. I am a sophomore here at Cheyney University studying double major graphic design, fine arts with a minor in psychology. I have the privilege to be here at this wonderful workshop with Amir, teaching us on the cleaning mechanisms of the airbrush and airbrush techniques, the history, and I'm just so blessed and grateful to be taught under his wing and have the privilege for him to do my shirt. Thank you.
My name is Sinetcham Patep. I am a transfer this semester to Cheyney University. I'm a sophomore, and I really enjoyed the workshop. I really enjoyed learning the technique behind airbrushing. I think the only experience I've had with it was at a bat mitzvah in middle school. It's a really interesting art form. I really like it. It seems like it would be really fun to learn and very difficult also, but a fun challenge to try and tackle.
My name is Ariana. I'm a junior at Cheyney University. Honestly, this workshop has opened my eyes, and I actually wanted to do airbrush before this, and it just pushed me to do it even more. Amir is a great instructor. I actually got the hang of it. It was like, I'm not nervous to do it anymore, so I'm ready to get my kit and call him for more help.
Good day. If you're watching this video, you already support and appreciate Amir's work. If you really want to support him, purchase his product, support him financially. If you like the artistry that you see, support him financially so you can continue to do this. Cheyney professor talking about a Cheyney alum. Support
Voice music.
Oh,